Welcome back to my channel. Today, we installed Nvidia driver in Kali Linux or any other Debian-based system. Open a browser. Type in the search field Nvidia driver download. Click on the first link shown in the browser. Fill the manual driver search field on the website's left side with your graphics card details. Click on the Find button. Click on the View button. Press the green Download button to download the driver. Close the browser window. Open the terminal window. Click on the Nvidia proprietary. Click on the Continue Installation button. Click on OK. Click on the Continue Installation button. Click on OK. Click on the Continue Installation button. Click on No. Click on Yes. Click on OK. Click on Rebuild Initrums. Click on Yes. Click on OK. Click on OK. Open the terminal window. Type Nvidia SME in the terminal. If the tool shows your graphics card, it is successfully installed, and check the GPU by using #I. It will show the graphics card too. Thanks for watching, and give any suggestions in the comments box. If you like this video, please consider subscribing and enabling the bell to get notifications whenever I upload a new video.